structural isomerism of second part. In first part we have completed three isomerisms: ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, coordination isomerism. Next, fourth structural isomerism is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. For this isomerism also some conditions are required. That conditions are: the complex to exhibit this isomerism, complex must contain ambidentate ligands. Must contain ambidentate ligands. If there is no ambidentate ligand, there is no linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism is possible if the complex has ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands means what? Ambidentate ligands means those ligands which have more than one donor atom, but at a time they donate only one electron pair by one atom only. Ligands which have more than one donor atoms, more than one donor atoms are present, but at a time only one atom is linked with the central metal ion. At a time only one atom is linked with the central metal ion. That ligands are called ambidentate ligands. If these ligands are present, they shows linkage isomerism. So let us see example. Means this isomerism is possible if ambidentate ligands are present. Example I am taking. The best example, ambidentate ligand. Let me write first ambidentate ligands examples. NO2 minus is ambidentate ligand, Cn minus is ambidentate, SCN minus thiocyanate is ambidentate, and S2O3 thionate also ambidentate, and carbon monoxide also ambidentate. NO2, Cn minus, SCN minus, S2O3, CO, carbon monoxide. These are all ambidentate ligands. Means more than one atom can donate the electron pair, but at a time only one atom gives electron pair to central metal ion. Both the atoms cannot give electron pairs at a time. So only one atom gives. That's why we call it as ambidentate. If these ligands present in the complex, they show linkage isomerism. And for that, let me take example. Yes, CO NS35 NO2 Cl2. Suppose Cl2 or Br2, anyone we can write. So in this case, the nitrogen is linked with the cobalt. So name is pentaamine nitrito-N. Why we are saying it as a name? I am writing the name here because it is little bit is important. Pentaamine nitrito, NO2 nitrito, NO3 nitrito, nitrito-N, cobalt 3, oxidation state is 3, chloride. N means what? Small n I wrote. Means the nitrogen donating electron pair. So you can write capital N. If we have the small n number confusion, that's why. And another one, CONS35 ONO we have this one, here same molecular formula, these have the same molecular formula, cobalt to cobalt, 5 ammonia, NO2 NO2, Cl2. But here oxygen donating electron pair to the cobalt, here nitrogen donating electron pair to the cobalt, here oxygen donating electron pair to the cobalt. So the name is pentamine nitrito, no doubt at all the name, nitrito, but here O, cobalt 3 chloride, pentamine nitrito N cobalt 3 chloride, because nitrogen donating electron pair to the cobalt, pentamine nitrito O cobalt 3 chloride, because oxygen donating electron pair to the cobalt. Like that, molecular formula same, linkage is different with central metal ion. That is possible if ambidentate ligands are possible. So this isomerism is called linkage isomerism, fourth type. Coming to fifth type, polymerization isomerism. Fifth type, polymerization isomerism. Polymerization isomerism. Polymerization isomerism. It is possible in the complex compounds. It is possible in the complex compounds having same stoichiometric composition, balancing composition. Yeah, empirical formula also we can say stoichiometric composition. Same stoichiometric composition, but different molecular composition, means molecular mass is different, molecular formula is different. Different molecular composition, same stoichiometric composition, but different molecular composition. If it is there in the complex compounds, they exhibit polymerization isomerism. Polymerization isomerism is possible in that. I will take examples. So please don't get the confusion. Polymerization is possible if complex compounds have the same stoichiometric composition, means empirical formula is same, but molecular formula is different. Empirical formula same, molecular formula is different. That is same stoichiometric composition but different molecular composition. Example, platinum NS3 taken 4 times plus 2, platinum Cl4 if it is there, Cl4 if it is there. Here 2 platinums are there, 4 ammonia are there, 4 chlorines are there. And if I write this one as and platinum NS3 taken twice Cl2, this is another complex. This is one complex, this is another complex. Between these two, if you observe these two, 1 platinum means total 2 platinums, 4 ammonia, 4 chlorines. Here 1 platinum, 2 ammonia, 2 chlorines, means stoichiometric composition is same in both these cases. Both the cases stoichiometric composition is same, but molecular composition, here the molecular mass is more, almost double. So that type of isomerism is called polymerization. And also we can write one more example, that is platinum NS3 taken thrice Cl taken twice platinum Cl4. Here how many platinums are there? 3 platinums, 6 ammonia, 6 chlorines. It is, suppose if I say 1 unit of this molecular weight, it becomes double, it becomes triple. But stoichiometric composition is same. So this is another molecule. All these have same stoichiometric composition, but molecular composition is different. This type of isomerism is called what? Polymerization isomerism. Fifth one. Then last one, sixth one is coordination position isomerism. Coordination position isomerism. Coordination position isomerism. sixth type of structural isomerism, the last structural isomerism in complex compounds. For this isomerism, the condition in the complex is this isomerism is possible only in polynuclear complexes. It is possible in a polynuclear complexes. Polynuclear complexes. Polynuclear complexes. What is the meaning of polynuclear complexes? The complex compounds which contain more than one central atom are called polynuclear complexes. The complex compounds which have more than one central atom, they are called polynuclear complexes. In that case, this isomerism is possible. How this isomerism is possible means what? It arises by changing the position of ligands in the polynuclear complexes. It arises by, this isomerism arises by changing the position of ligands in the polynuclear complex itself. In the polynuclear complex itself. In the polynuclear complex itself. So, by the change of ligand's position, when we get the different complexes, that isomers are called coordination position isomers. Example, I am taking example for that, not polymerization. The examples for coordination position isomerism. Example for coordination position isomerism. 4 ammonia molecules. 4 ammonia molecules, cobalt, bidentate, that is bridge ligands. These are bridge ligands. I'm not going to use a name because we doesn't have the time frame. I'm strictly confined to isomers. That's why I'm not saying the names. Of course, you can say the name. If the bridge ligands are there, we have to use the prefix as what? Mu. For NH2, amido. For O2, oxo, we have to use. So this is one of the complex, polynuclear complex. 2 cobalt, 2 central metal ions are there. It is polynuclear complex. So here, 4 ammonia molecules for this cobalt, 2 ammonia molecules and 2 chlorines for these molecules. And if I take another complex, like this, NH2, O2, CO, NH3 3 times, Cl. This is another complex. Both have different properties. What is the difference between these two complexes? Only one difference. That is what? One chlorine shifted from here to here and ammonia shifted to here. So we are getting symmetrical molecule. This is symmetrical, this is unsymmetrical. So chlorine 3 ammonia, cobalt, cobalt. Here 4 ammonia, no chlorines, cobalt. 2 ammonia, 2 chlorines, cobalt. So here a change of the position, chlorine position changed, 1 ammonia molecule position is changed. So by the change of position of ligands, if we get the isomers like this, we call it as what? Coordination position isomers, and the phenomenon is known as coordination position isomerism. These are the 6 types of structural isomerisms in coordination compounds. Next is second type of isomerism is stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. Let me discuss this stereoisomerism, very important topic and most typical topic, not difficult, typical. There is no difficult in the chemistry. Because if you know the concept, the subject is very easy. Most of the students, most of the faculties, and most of the persons will consider chemistry as a theory. It is not a theory. Science never will be theory. So chemistry topics are not theory topics. It comes under inorganic chemistry, but not theory. There is a beautiful logic will be there. If you identify that logic, chemistry is very easy. Let me discuss that stereochemistry in the next video. Thank you.